Hello, my name is Fiona Schmiglo and I'm a professor at the University of Alberta. I study landscape ecology and conservation science, and I specialize in northern environmental and conservation sciences. And my relationship with the Canadian Boreal Forest Agreement is that I act as their senior science advisor and the chair of their science committee. Well, I've studied a lot of different components of the boreal system. I've done a lot of work on various aspects of biodiversity of the forest, so I've done quite a lot of research on woodland caribou, which are a very high-profile species for the Canadian Boreal Forest Agreement, and also important as a listed species in Canada. I've done a lot of work on bird populations, and the boreal is considered the breeding nursery of North America for birds. And I've also spent a lot of time trying to understand the important drivers of the dynamics of boreal forests, so the role that forest fires play in driving the natural disturbance dynamics of forests. And I've done a lot of work recently, and this is work that's being brought into the Canadian Boreal Forest Agreement around the design of conservation networks, looking at the interface between protected areas and managed lands, and how we can use protected areas as benchmarks for understanding the effects of management activities. And really what we refer to this as conservation by design, actually planning landscapes, considering conservation and development in concert, and coming up with new strategies for learning over time to improve our management of these systems.